Finished bisquing my bird sphere and my earth sphere and a couple other pieces. One is a piece that I'm going to use for helping in my creation, and one is, just a different version of a base for a sphere. So I'm going to go ahead and pull them out now. Okay, this is my earth sphere. So I'm looking for any kind of hairline cracks or anything of that nature. Everything looks pretty good. Okay. So and this is just a little base that I made for it. That's what I fired it on. Going to start doing something different with my bases, even on pieces like this. I want to start making an insert for the base that I don't glaze, so that I know where it's at. And part of the reason why I want to do that is because like when I glaze this piece, I'm not sure if the base is going to stick to it or not. And that's just frustrating for me. So, I mean, granted, I'm going to glaze this in such a way that it shouldn't, but you just never know. So, we'll see. So there's one piece. Okay, grab another one. Okay, this is a base that I made for the Earth's sphere. So everything looks good. So let's I don't know if you can see this or not over here. Well, we'll see. I don't know if the camera is filming that or not. So then I made this, which is for function. It's basically the same radius as those, and it will help me create bases. I'll just have a radius, a hard radius, that I can make a ring and push it down on it, and it will create the radius that I need. So I drilled the holes into it so it would dry quicker and without cracks, because it's so thick. Okay. I have my witness cones, which on a bisque, if it doesn't go all the way, I really don't care. It's just, okay, this is my bird sphere. This is the base for it. Now, what I was talking about a minute ago, see, I have an area on this where the base sits here. And so what I'm going to do is I won't glaze that, and I won't glaze this. I might glaze the face. But that way, if you want to take the base off it, you can. Because I really like being able to take the base off it so you can feel the circumference of the piece. So this is the bird's chair. So again, I'm looking for hairline cracks, inconsistencies that are not what I anticipated. So it seems to have turned out pretty good on both of these pieces. You know, sometimes when you bisque, you'll get hairline cracks that when you do your final firing, your glaze firing, that crack will get bigger. So on either of these, I don't notice any type of cracking. So I'm really pleased. So one thing that's kind of nice is being I mean, granted it's Arizona, Mesa, Arizona. What's funny is being that it's been cold, I know for a lot of people, that's a silly thing to say, but being that it's been cold, it actually cooled off to 100, the kiln actually cooled off to 120 degrees in basically a 14-hour period, which that doesn't normally happen. So either way, appreciate everybody that follows me and comments and likes, and I do have a YouTube channel that you could just go to YouTube and search Anderson Built. Remember, Anderson's spelled with an E, A-N-D-E-R-S-E-N, Built, all one word, and it'll take you to my YouTube channel. I appreciate if you go and subscribe and like and comment on videos because it helps my algorithm. I'm really trying to grow that channel. But either way, thanks everybody.